Module Overview. Inventory management and control are vital functions within operations management that focus on planning, organizing, and controlling the flow and storage of raw materials, work in progress, WIP, and finished goods. Effective inventory management ensures that the right quantity of inventory is available at the right time, minimizing costs while meeting customer demand efficiently. Managing inventory is a complex balancing act. Having too much inventory increases holding costs and risk of obsolescence, while too little inventory can lead to stockouts, lost sales, and dissatisfied customers. Importance and objectives of inventory management. Inventory serves several essential purposes, including buffering against uncertainties, protects against supply chain disruptions and demand variability, enabling smooth production, ensures materials are available when needed to avoid downtime, taking advantage of economies of scale. Buying in bulk can reduce per unit costs. Supporting customer service ensures products are available to meet customer expectations. The key objectives of inventory management include minimizing total inventory costs, ordering, holding, shortage, maintaining optimal service levels, improving cash flow by reducing tied-up capital, supporting production schedules and customer fulfillment. Types of inventory: raw materials, basic inputs required for production, work in progress, WIP, items currently being processed, finished goods, completed products ready for sale, maintenance, repair, and operating, MRO, supplies, items used in support of production but not part of the final product. Each type requires tailored management approaches. Inventory costs. Inventory management must balance various costs, including ordering costs, expenses related to placing and receiving orders, holding, carrying costs, costs of storing inventory, including warehousing, insurance, depreciation, stockout costs, costs associated with running out of inventory, such as lost sales, customer dissatisfaction, setup costs, costs of changing production setups, especially relevant in batch manufacturing. Inventory control models and techniques. Economic order quantity, EOQ, calculates optimal order quantity, minimizing total ordering and holding costs. Reorder point, ROP, inventory level that triggers a new order, considering lead time and demand. Safety stock, extra inventory held to buffer against variability in demand or supply. ABC analysis categorizes inventory based on value and usage to prioritize management focus. Just-in-time, JIT, inventory strategy aimed at minimizing inventory levels by receiving goods only as needed. Materials requirement planning, MRP, computer-based system for inventory control and production planning. Inventory management systems. Periodic review system, inventory levels reviewed at fixed intervals, orders placed accordingly. Continuous review system, inventory levels continuously monitored, orders placed when reaching ROP. Automated systems, use of barcoding, RFID, and ERP software to track inventory in real time. Challenges in inventory management. Demand forecasting inaccuracies causing stock imbalances. Lead time variability and supply chain disruptions. Managing inventory in multi-location and global supply chains. Integrating inventory control with production and sales functions. Dealing with perishable and obsolete items. Balancing technology investments and system complexity. The strategic role of inventory management. Inventory management not only supports operational efficiency, but also impacts overall business strategy, enables firms to respond flexibly to market demand, improves customer satisfaction and loyalty, reduces waste and environmental impact through lean inventory practices, enhances financial performance by optimizing working capital. Conclusion of Module 6. Mastering inventory management and control equips operations, managers with the tools and knowledge to balance cost, service, and risk effectively. This module lays a strong foundation for managing the complexities of inventory across diverse industries and operational contexts.